Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, close it and now open setting. Type on Apple ID profile and now type on media and purchases. So here is the view account, type it. So you have to remove your account from here. After removing your account, type on country region. So type on change country region and now select your country. Type on agree. So now here you have to update your payment method again and put the formalities. You can put fake one. Now type on next. That's it. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.